In a quarter mile, merge onto I-285 South.
Come on, Cutest!
I'm Cass, and welcome back to Crafting with Cass. If you're back and you're ready for another DIY. So this project, I'm going to be using dollar materials, flipping them to look more upscale and high-end, and I'm really excited about how this project turned out. I really like all of the different decor that I was able to use using dollar store materials. I'm ready, or getting ready, for the holidays, so this is going to be my first step in the decor part of everything. And I also am partnered with Macy's and have a Macy's storefront, so I'm going to have a lot of different holiday gift guides that I'm going to be posting there. So I'm going to link that in the description box below too. So if you need some other holiday gift ideas and you may not want to craft them, or you just may be shopping at Macy's but need some inspiration, that's going to be listed in the description box below, so check that out. And without any more further hesitation, let's go ahead and let's get right started. Again, all of these materials are from the dollar store except this wood plank that I painted black. And here I am just converting some of the letters to letters that I actually need, like I've done in previous projects when I run out of the letters that I don't have. And then after I got which letters I would cut together to mesh to create my new letters, then I just used a glue gun to put them together. Then I used a few coats of some green paint to paint all of the letters green. And so here I'm using a recycled piece of wood that I painted black, and then I'm just stacking the cylinder and square wood pieces on top of it. And here I'm using the wood pieces from the woodblock game to add as support for the hashtag sign. And now I'm adding my painted letters to the front of the wood blocks. And for the next project, I'm creating a cute modern decorative sign that can be added to the Christmas collection. So I'm starting this project off by using the shell of a gold frame and removing the insider flaps. And I'm using the plaid / buffalo check side of this pot holder that I've used in a previous project for a table decor setting, and I'm going to be using this to create the trees on these wood pieces. And here I'm just checking to see how big I want to have this tree, and using the other piece of the wood so I can create a straight edge. I created the triangle trees for 4 of the wood rectangular pieces. And now it's time for me to construct everything. So I'm just basically placing and deciding where I want to put everything and staggering it to the way that I want it to look. For the next project, I'm going to be using some of the garland from the Dollar Tree, which is pretty thin, but I'm going to be combining them so they look a little fuller, and I'm just going to be 2-strand twisting them and bringing them to half the size so it gives it more volume. Okay, so I'm 2-strand twisting the garland together and then adding loops down the length of it so it can add a lot more volume. And then I added some wood slices that I already had from my craft stash, as well as some metal plates that would tie in with the rest of the decor. And here I'm just using this clear elastic string to add these metal plates to the garland. For the next project, I'm using these materials to create this buffalo check joy sign. Alright, and I start this project by making sure that the pot holder material will fit within my frame, and I'm just going to cut the pot holder material so that it'll stretch in the inside of the frame to cover it completely. And then I remove the inside flaps of the frame and I start gluing the pieces together. And for the last project, I'm using this traditionally decorated mailbox from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using some black spray paint to create it to make it a lot more modern and sleek. And after I got my box completely covered in black spray paint, Then I used my remaining wood letters to spell out Santa on the box to tie in with the rest of the decor. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button to see what I'm crafting next.